Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open a phone application, tap on three dots here, go to its settings, and then go to the blocked numbers. Tap add a number, so here you have to manually enter number which is bothering you. Then tap block, and after that this caller will never reach you again. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.